Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Streamlabs to OBS via plugin. Make sure that your OBS Studio is already installed before going through into this. First, go to streamlabs.com. On top, next to the Streamlabs logo, you will see the products dropdown. Hover there and you will see that it will provide a lot of options. On the left side, which says Most Popular, you'll see under Streamlabs Desktop the plugin for OBS. Click on that. It will lead you to a page that says Streamlabs plugin for OBS. There will be a green button that says Download the plugin. Once you click on that, it should immediately download the plugin file called Streamlabs Plugin Updater. Go to your corresponding Downloads folder and double-click the file to install. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Simply hit Yes. A setup window will then appear to install the Streamlabs plugin to OBS. Click Install. Another pop-up will appear asking if you have already OBS installed. Hit Yes if you already have it. And we have to restart any instances of OBS Studio to apply the changes. After the installation setup has been completed, simply hit Finish. Now if you have OBS on, make sure to restart it to apply these changes. Once we open back up OBS Studio, you'll now see that there are Streamlabs tabs on the left or the right screen. Also, on the toolbar, you'll see Streamlabs. Click on that. And a pop-up window will appear saying that this is the Streamlabs plugin for OBS. Click Login and Get Started so that we can set this up. Once you click the Login and Get Started button, a pop-up will appear on your browser to ask you to log in to your Streamlabs. I will log in with Twitch. Once your Streamlabs account and the plugin has been connected, it will lead you back to the Streamlabs setup page. If you want to select an overlay, choose one and then click on Continue. You can also set up your tipping page here, but since we're already done on that, I'll simply hit on Skip. It will also ask you to choose your plan for Streamlabs. We'll choose the free or starter plan. With that, the Streamlabs plugin for OBS should now be connected. You should now see your stream's recent events on OBS as well as your stream chat.